Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Bigo Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Bigo Live. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Bigo Live and sign in. Then tap the search icon at the top right and type in the username of your friend. Tap Search. You can now see the search results. Tap the follow button on your friend's profile. And that's how you add friends on Bigo Live. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.